Hello, everyone. Welcome back to your favorite troubleshooting channel, Fix Netflix YouTube channel. Today we will show you how to fix double vertical lines on the screen. If you stay with us all the way to the end of this video and try each of these methods, and there is very high probability that this problem will be solved for you. Before we start, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, Fix Netflix, for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. If you face any problems during this session, then don't hesitate to inform me on comment section. I will be happy to help you and answer your all queries as soon as possible. So, let's start it. Step 1. If the lines appear on the OSD menu, the cause is a bad panel. You need to replace the bad panel. Step 2. If the lines do not appear on the OSD menu, then disconnect all external signal sources and check the problem. Step 3. If the lines are still over the OSD menu, so checking the LVDS cable contacts pin or change the main board. You can also clean LVDS cable contact pin by eraser. Step 4. If the lines are gone with after changing the video signal input, then a signal source is causing the problem, so you need to trace that video input circuit to find out what is wrong in it. Step 5. But most of the time, this type of symptom are causing by the LCD panel and bad COF contact in between source driver board or the other side of the panel glass contact pins. Some other possible causes of vertical lines on a TV. Reason 1. Loose cable connections. Loose cable connections, such as the HDMI or video cable, can cause vertical lines to appear on the screen. Check the connections to make sure they are securely fastened. Reason 2. Overheating. Overheating can cause vertical lines to appear on the screen. Make sure that your TV is placed in a well-ventilated area and that there is enough space around it to allow air to circulate. Reason 3. Defective LCD panel. If the vertical lines persist even after checking the cable connections, it could be a sign of a defective LCD panel. This is a common issue that can only be fixed by a professional repair service. Reason 4. Software issues. Software issues can also cause vertical lines to appear on the screen. Try updating the firmware of your TV or resetting it to its default settings to see if this resolves the issue. So, that's the whole story, my friends. We've covered the steps to fix vertical line issues. If you face any problems or still have same experience, please leave a comments here. I will be happy to help you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Fix Netflix for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching this video, and we will see you in the next video.